This is Barnet Hospital. It's lift tour time. Now to the first lifts, which are in the maternity section. And very surprising is this, because usually you can't get anywhere near the maternity section. But this time I'll just walk in film lifts, not very secure at all. Wait, no, I can't say that. I can't just joke about security when it's a subject like this, can I? I need to say it's a bit more politically correct. So then, if you can't get pregnant and you don't want to go down the adoption route, this is the place to steal a baby. And now we go to the first lifts, which are some nice eco discs. Let's ride the first one.
Doors closed.
And now we go into the other eco disc. And now up on the first floor there's some stairs going upwards, which I've noticed quite a bit in modern buildings. It's like the building designers don't really get the idea of an MRL, and they still put in a motor room, even though it's unnecessary. So let's go up the stairs and see where they go. And at the top there is locked door. Disappointing. So now we go along to the main part of the hospital, and along we go to the first lifts, which are some really nice Schindler MRLs. When you press the button inside, it doesn't go brrr. So disappointing. You can't have a Schindler that doesn't make that noise. Anyway, let's ride it.
Floor 0. Door open.
And now we go along to the next lift, which is another Schindler MRL, which is staff only. But when I press the button, it's locked, it doesn't come. Well, I could use my triangle key method to get in, except this part of the hostel's way too busy, there's people walking around everywhere. Barnet! Very disappointing. So now we go along to the next lift, which is a 90s generic. It looks like a sort of 80s generic with a sort of Dewhurst, but this sort of Dewhurst did carry on for quite a while, and this is definitely sort of late 90s since this building's not at all old.
Please mind the door. Level 1.
And now we go along to the other end of the hostel, where there is some more generics.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.